A frutta di mare salad. That is for our party, and it's one of my favorites. We need to cook the fish. I have here court bouillon going. What is that? It's some water, some white wine, carrots, little bay leaves, peppercorns, celery. The water is flavored, and we cook the fish in there. Don't overcook the fish, though. Let's start with the mussels. Just throw them right in there. Okay. Let's cover them so they open up fast, and we'll fish them out. The calamari, let's cut them up. Okay. I'm looking at these. You know, I like when the head kind of curls up in the salad, so I'm gonna leave these whole. And we'll cut these in rings. The mussels should be ready any minute now. Let's check. Yes, they are open. Let's fish them out. I'm fishing them all out here. All set. So we'll let that cool, and we'll throw in the calamari. Let's throw in the heads first. Just a few minutes. So how do you know when they're cooked? You let them come to a boil, and you figure for something like this about 3 minutes. But when they kind of look opaque, then they should be done. You know, nice, kind of still have that bite to it. Let's throw the calamari right in. Okay. And you don't even have to cover these in a sense, so you can really watch them. Actually, if you cover them, they'll cook quicker, but I want you to watch together with me, and I'll tell you what to look for. So while I am here, let me pick the mussels. So I'm looking for the ones with the mussels in there. And I'm leaving the shell on because I think it will look nice when on the plate. This festive party that we have, I think the shells will give it a little bit of color and presence, shall we say. Okay, I got all the mussels. These are just the shells. And I think this is done now. You see how opaque they are? They're telling me they're cooked, so look for that opaque color, kind of still nice and life and plump. Okay, good. The last one is the shrimp, and that too takes just a few minutes. You don't want to overcook that either, so let's get that going. Okay. The shrimp is ready as well. Let's pull it out. And you know, this is a nice size shrimps. That means that you're generous. We could cut it in smaller pieces, or we could get smaller shrimps, but I think these are so beautiful. And they really make your insalata di frutta di mare really beautiful and generous. Okay, just let it cool a little bit. But I do like lukewarm seafood salad. By the time you toss it and all of that, it's going to be a kind of room temperature anyway. Some people like it in the refrigerator, and by all means, you know, you can make it, put it in the refrigerator, or refrigerate it like this before dressing it, then you pull it out and you dress it. Okay, let's... Okay. The only other thing that I would add to this is some celery for crunchiness. Celery, parsley, maybe a little bit of garlic. So let me put in the chopped garlic, but just a little bit, not too much. Some celery. And I like the leaves as well, just like that, kind of shredded. So a little bit of salt, yes, absolutely, not too much. Peperoncino, yes. Parsley, yes, lots of parsley. Okay, so let's put oil. And let's put red wine vinegar. So let's begin to toss it. Well, I will taste a little bit. I want a little bit of each, so here I have the calamari, I have the shrimp, I have the mussel. A little bit of juice. And now let me taste it. So, little bits of shrimp and celery. Crunchy, good, still warm. And I love the calamari head. So I'm going to go for a little bit of a, Buono. Buono, buono, buono. This, I'm gonna kind of scoop up a little bit of the sauce, and I'm gonna slurp it in. Delicioso. I think this is a grand plate for a grande festa. Let's bring it to the table.